Hello and welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is how to create a document outline in Google Docs. Do you want to make a large document to where users can click on something and go to the section of the document they need? Google Docs helps with that by allowing you to create outlines. The document outline in Google Docs is an automated, clickable sidebar that displays the structure of your document, allowing for easy navigation, organization, and quick access to specific sections. Let's look at how to create a document outline in Google Docs. Open Google Docs by clicking on the waffle in Google Chrome and clicking the Google Docs icon. Start a new document or open an existing one. For this demonstration, I will be using an existing document. To view the outline as you create it, if it is not already extended, click on the Show Tabs and Outline button to the left of your document. Highlight the header of the first section in the document. In this example, it is Overview. In the Formatting toolbar above the document, click the Normal Text drop-down and click Heading 1. You will notice that it adds it to the document tabs to the left. Do the same for all the headers you want to be level 1. To link to a subheader, highlight the headers and click on a different header option. In the demonstration, that would be header 2 or 3. You will notice in the document tabs, it indents the headers under milestone, which indicates it is a subheader of the milestone's header. Note the only header styles this works with are the title style and header 1 through 3. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.